Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your criminal defense with the law offices of William E. Cohan, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your criminal defense with the law offices of William E. Cohan, the first step is to assess your current legal situation. Reflect on the charges you are facing and gather all relevant documents. Next, reach out to the law offices of William E. Cohan through their website or phone number. Schedule an initial consultation to discuss your case in detail. During the consultation, be prepared to provide a thorough account of the events surrounding your charges. Share any evidence you may have that supports your defense. Listen carefully to the legal strategies and options explained by the attorney. Ask questions to ensure you understand the proposed defense approach. After the consultation, take some time to consider your options. If you decide to proceed, retain the law offices of William E. Cohan by signing a retainer agreement. Collaborate closely with your attorney throughout the process. Provide any additional information they request in a timely manner. Stay proactive by following up on your case's progress regularly. Be prepared for court appearances and understand the importance of your attorney's role. If necessary, engage in plea bargain discussions to potentially reduce charges. Maintain communication with your attorney to address any concerns or changes. As your case progresses, remain informed about the legal proceedings. Understand that effective communication is crucial for a robust defense. With the expertise of the law offices of William E. Cohan, you can enhance your criminal defense strategy. Follow these steps to ensure you are equipped for the best possible outcome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.